In our scenario of what might go wrong for the first human mission to Mars, the astronauts' rover is trapped in the Martian sand. The Earth return vehicle is 100 miles away. Are the astronauts facing certain death? Or can they save themselves once again with pre-industrial technology?
So let's say the crew was stranded and they need to get at least one person a considerable distance to secure another vehicle and come back and rescue the rest. Could they do this with balloons? It's just possible.
Engineers on Earth run tests to see if a balloon could carry at least one astronaut over the desert to the ERV.
You could do this by stretching a synthetic membrane of some sort around a pocket of the surrounding air, just carbon dioxide. And then you'd have to heat the air inside in order to give it some buoyancy. Now, one way of doing that is having solar heating. Effectively have the membrane absorb solar energy, heat the carbon dioxide inside, it then expands, becomes buoyant, and lifts the balloon up.
Any balloon that you would construct or fabricate on Mars would have to be very large to compensate for the very low density atmosphere.
The Martian atmosphere is very thin. It's less than 1% of Earth's atmospheric pressure at sea level. That means that to get substantial lift, you need an enormous balloon.
A balloon that is 10 meters in radius is probably enough for one astronaut in a spacesuit. Why would a crew on Mars have a balloon that big? They probably wouldn't, but they might have a large number of balloons used for scientific purposes that were smaller than that.
The risky plan is put into action. In a makeshift harness, one astronaut rises into the Martian sky. A mile up, winds blow her towards the ERV at 60 miles an hour.
On Mars, the prevailing winds near the surface blow from west to east, and we want to go from west to east, so that's good for us.
One of the big problems with this scenario is the precision at which you could hope to reach your destination. But if you could then come down within hiking distance of your destination, take some luck, but it's possible.